egg in my pocket. What's up guys, it's me obviously, and I'm making French toast sticks, and I'm gonna answer a few questions, the ones I didn't answer in my recent video. If you can hear anybody, it's just my family, the usual. And yeah, I'm just gonna get into it because it's actually kind of late. And I'm cooking on this little thing because our stove is broken at the moment, just one piece. And it's coming in the mail tomorrow, so we're not worried about it. I'm using regular milk just because it tastes better with regular milk instead of almond milk. And I add this little by little because it, when you put the bread in it, it gets like taken over. And I'm in my cooking shirt. Whenever I'm in the kitchen, I've decided I'm going to wear this shirt. And it just so happened that I just washed this. So, why is your dad's mom's boyfriend, husband, never in videos or blurred? He just doesn't like to be on camera. It's as simple as that. He just doesn't like it. And yeah, he's not comfortable with it, so I'm not gonna force him to be on camera. I love cutting bread. So you're just gonna dip your French toast sticks. And then you're gonna put them in. When will you be more vocal about the community, as in joining social medias rather than just staying on YouTube to reach for many other fans? It's not my choice. I don't have social media because my parents say I can't. Not because I chose to. I would be on social media, but I am not, and I'm not going to push boundaries by asking. So, yeah, that is why. It's not because I choose to not be on social media at all. These are going to be good. Are you looking into attending any Ivy universities? No, I am not. Probably gonna go to culinary school. It's my thing right now, and I think I genuinely do want to go. Is Spicy your sister or your mom? She is my mom. I have it in my description every video, and I have her channel in my description as well. She is my mom, not my sister. Do you have the Animal Crossing? Yes, I just started playing it like my own island. Ideal date? Honestly, to just spend time with my girlfriend or whoever I'm on a date with. Just like either sushi, I love sushi, and if she doesn't like sushi, we could just have whatever. But yeah, I don't know, and just like talking, no like pressure or anything like that. I don't know. I just want to be comfortable with them and just spend like some quality time with them and be chill. I'm gonna cut some more because there's still egg. I do not want to waste any eggs. I'm gonna grab the pan. Almost every time I've cooked in this past week, I have burnt myself. I wish I was lying. See like how, I'm gonna show you guys right now. The cinnamon is like gone right now. Oh, I forgot to put butter. Oh well. So I'm gonna add some more cinnamon. Just a tiny bit. I've been watching some sad TikToks like POVs. They do be hitting. In the ghetto. La, da, da, da. I love French toast with all of my heart. Also, if you buy bread and you want to buy mass quantities of it, you can freeze it and it comes out just fine. Clearly, my bread is fine. See, these are really hard to flip for me. I have eyebrows on, we're not going to talk about it. Yeah. Okay. So I literally just like to cook. Yeah. You can top this with syrup, jam, syrup and powdered sugar, which is how I like it. And yeah. I love French toast very, very much. I don't know what I want to cook next. Let me know. If you guys enjoyed this video and the few questions that I didn't answer, it was only like 3. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, do what you want to do. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Here we go. Okay, good. I'm like Dora. Oh, that was cringy.